Fixed app review. Is it worth it? So we have the fixed app ready over here. We just downloaded it. Now, fixed is worth it if you want a simple way to understand your check engine light. We have done a bit of research on this, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, we're gonna enter by creating our own account by entering our email. So as we said, it's used if you want to have a simple way to understand your check engine light, read basic car trouble codes, and track maintenance from your phone. It works with a small OBD2 sensor that plugs into your car if you have that, and if you don't, then it's usually other options like a Bluetooth or whatever option that it gives you. The app then translates codes into easier explanations instead of showing only the technical terms. The app also supports maintenance reminders and car health tracking, which is useful for beginners who do not know much about cars. Fix does say it works with most gas-powered vehicles from 1996 and newer. The app is still active with its Google Play listing updated pretty much last May or probably recently. We're not too sure. The main downside is the premium subscription. The free app can be useful, but many of the better features are locked behind the paid plans, like the AI mechanic if you want that and everything else. So these plans are pretty much deeper diagnostics, repair cost estimates, and extra car health insights. But because of this, some users also complain about the subscription prompts, billing concerns, or the device not reading codes properly on certain cars. But overall, Fixed is good for casual drivers who want a beginner friendly scanner, but it may not be worth it if you already know cars or only need a basic code reader. So a cheaper OBD2 scanner can do the basics without pushing too much with a subscription. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you're trying to go into this app or you're seeing if it's worth it. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.